Welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Today's class is for you if you want to teach your child how to hold a pencil correctly. It could be difficult for some of the kids to hold the pencil like this. Or in the beginning, some of the children hold the pencil incorrectly like this or from the top and try to scribble on the paper. Whereas, to train them to hold the pencil correctly, we have some indirect preparation or indirect exercises that are very simple to follow at home as well. So come on, let's have a look. First of all, you show the child your hand and tell him the proper movement. Close these two fingers and keep the three open. Again, close these two and the three open. It could be difficult for some of the kids to even close the fingers in this way. Tell them to make a mouth like an alligator mouth or a dog mouth and do open and close. To make this movement more refined, you can take a pad and stick any animal and give it to the kid. You can make it a toy for them, but tell them to hold it properly. Two fingers close, three open, thumb at the bottom and two fingers at the top. Now they can open and close. Again tell them open, close. It could be a game for them. For the left-handed kids, you can make the same thing and say them to open and close. Open, close. Tell them the right movement and the holding position of the pad and tell them this is the rule that you have to hold this same way. This will surely train their hand muscles which we need for writing, these two fingers and a thumb, and will strengthen them so that it will be easy for the kid to hold the pencil correctly. For the next exercise, you again need some pads and a container. Show him first the position, two fingers close, three open, make the tripod grip, hold the pad in these three fingers, then open and put the chair. Again, take a pad, open and put it here. The child can do this all alone just once needed the directions. But be careful to tell him time and again that you have to hold the pegs with these three fingers. You can give this exercise to your 2.5 onwards. These are some simple exercises which you can make and keep at home at your ease. They not only help you the kid in pencil holding but also increase his focus and improve his eye and hand coordination. For the third exercise, you need a tray, two bowls with some grains, a spoon, and you need to tell how to hold the spoon. Close the two fingers and keep the three open. Make a tripod grip. Hold the spoon in this way. Then start shifting the grains from one bowl to another bowl. Give the directions very clearly. Show them how to do this once. Be careful, this exercise is for 3.5 and onwards. So you need to keep an eye over the child. If he swallows, it's not a big issue because the grains are edible. But you need to keep an eye. If they spill the grains, tell them again how they need to pick up with these three fingers. Transferring the grains from one bowl to another. Do not allow the child to transfer it through the bowl. Once when it's finished, you can tell him that he can transfer the bowl like this and can do it again. If there are any spills, you can put them again in the same bowl. This will not only improve his pencil holding but also his eye and hand coordination and his focus. These exercises are really good for little kids and You can give them at the age of 3.5 and onwards, but you need to keep an eye for this brain transfer exercise. All these three exercises are very good for holding the pencils. They improve the tripod grip of the child. Also, I would suggest you to take the triangular pencils from the stationery. They help the child to hold the pencil when they are the beginner. So this is for today's video. I hope you have liked it, enjoyed it. I will see you soon with another video. Take care. Bye bye.